Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So today I'm opportune to do this wide hairstyle. I changed the weaving that my apprentice did on her when she came because I needed the weaving to be a little bit smaller. For us to be faster with this wide hairstyle, I asked my apprentice to put hand to help in crocheting the hair. And this is my first time doing this wide hairstyle, so I need to be very skeptical in everything I am doing, and that is the main reason I decided to change the weaving, because I need the thing to be a little bit tiny so that I will make sure that this hair will be less stress for me. So here I reweaved her hair. When I am done, my apprentice put hand, we started crocheting her hair. Some are crocheting by the side, meaning the front, some are at the back, so that we can be faster to finish this hairstyle, because this hairstyle, crocheting and brushing, is the main stress on this hairstyle. When we finish crocheting her hair, we start brushing the hair. I am not brushing the hair alone. My students helped me. The more they are helping me, the more they are learning. So some are brushing the front, at the back, by the side, so that we can be faster. The hair is full and I still need to brush it so that the roots will be rough and it will look natural. That is the main goal. So after brushing, I cleaned her front hair with my alcohol. Then I start applying the bond. Application of the bond is 360 because you want the hair to come out natural, especially the front. Along the line, I changed my bond to my water bond. I've forgotten the name because the first one I used dried quicker, and after laying it down, it was not giving me what I want. It didn't hold the weave on very well. So I changed to the next bond and it gave me exactly what I wanted. I love the outcome. So here I have tied everything down and I am using my leave-in conditioner and water to soften the coils a little bit before I will start the packing. I make sure that I'm still holding the front with my band while packing the hair, because this is artificial. If you remove it, it might pull the front and you need to pack the hair tight. So make sure you tie the front while still packing. Then here I am trimming the excess because the hair is long. So here I shortened it to her taste and she loved this short one and she said we are good to go. So the time we are waiting for is here. Time to lose the band. I removed the band. She got herself a little bit because she has carried it for a longer time. And when I finished removing the band, I started trimming the front because the front is still scattered. I trim it to my perfection. And when I am done the trimming, I have to apply my fly shadow spray. I applied, I dried, I tied it down again, and when I removed, I used my razor to shave the front, to shave the front so that the front will be kind of carving it so that the front will be more finer, natural and neat. So guys, I am done cooking this beauty. From a scale of 1 to 10, please rate my work. Rate my work. The first time I am doing this white hairstyle and it came out this beautiful. It looks so natural on her, and I love how she chose this burgundy color. It fits her skin. It brings out her inner beauty. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, follow if you love this hairstyle. See you in our next video. Bye.